This is the Sabre 38 DBQ. This is in the Sabre's what they call the Sweet 16 line.
Okay.
You got a lot of great features with Sabre. Sabre for fifth wheels is definitely in my top 3.
Okay.
Just because of what you get versus price, things like that.
Right.
Nice, very large pass-through storage right here.
Storage.
You get nice roll-out racks for the 30-pound propane cylinders.
Okay.
You get a nice frame-mounted leash for your dog. 12-volt power awning that spans nearly the entire length of the trailer. I mean, this thing is, I can't remember the exact length, but I know it's over 20 feet.
Yeah, wow.
So one thing you might say, well, why is there a slide in the middle of the awning?
Right.
You know, well, consider the room you're gaining inside, for one. For two, it's shallow. It's only a 15-inch slide.
Yeah.
So when this awning comes out 12 feet, you're still gonna have a ton of space underneath this thing.
Yeah, yeah, that's good to point out. I see a kitchen back here. Ignore the motorcycle gang that's obviously driving around out in front somewhere.
It's probably my friends or something.
They're watching you.
They're watching me.
Hey, let's go mess with them.
Yeah, go mess with them.
Yeah. All right, so here you go. You got your sink.
Yep.
Cabinets.
Nice little outside kitchen prep area. Really kind of stylish doors and everything out here. You got your 3.2 cubic foot college fridge out here.
Now, does it come with a grill or anything? Because I've got an idea. If it doesn't come with a grill.
No.
Like, sometimes they'll have a grill on the back where you swing. All right, so you got space here. Like, you can go out and buy those griddles nowadays. Because there's obviously no place to cook here if you want an outdoor kitchen, and plug it in here and have your place to cook out here.
Well, you know, a lot of folks have beaten you to the punch on the thought process on this, because they'll get George Foreman's, they'll get little Coleman propane stoves, they'll get small griddles to put there. But if you don't have one of those and you just want to keep that open for prep, you still have your quick connect right underneath. So if you did have what's called an RVQ, that hangs off the back bumper, you can actually run that long propane line right over here, have your grill right off the back bumper.
Nice. Awesome. This is a nice looking outdoor kitchen.
Yeah, it is very nice.
Awesome.
Nice fixtures and everything.
There's a point to just the outside view. The bathroom, a door to the bathroom. So you get an outside entrance into the bathroom.
Yep, outside entrance to the bathroom. This is super important because, you know, kids, they're going to go get dirty. This is a way that they can get inside, they can peel off before they track it through the entire camper.
Still not exactly sure, though, why you need a screen door for it. Let me tell you something. If you're in here doing business and you only shut the screen door, there's something wrong with you. Not sure why that's there, but Eric, you think Eric would do it? Gage is saying Eric would.
I know. I feel attacked because they know, given the privacy of the campground, I might.
It's terrifying. All right, should we get inside?
Yeah,
let's go check out the inside. Lots of space in here. Wow.
Yeah, tons.
I mean, right
of
there
space.
where you're standing. Good grief, all kinds of room.
Yeah. I mean,
so much room for activities.
You can almost imagine, like, if we just so happen to have the same favorite dinosaur, we could do karate.
Yeah.
Right here.
Right here. Right here. I wonder how many people got the references that we threw out there. Let us know in the chat.
If you know, you know.
Yeah.
So, as I said, I still want to talk about that 15-inch slide on the outside. Well, I mean, look at this. When you're measuring, you have an 8-foot chassis wide.
Yeah. It's
8 feet wide. You take away 2 inches per side for the sidewall, so that's 7 foot 8 inches. So when you get another 15 here, and you get 30 here, you know, you're you're adding like a whole other 5 feet to the trailer in width.
It's crazy. Yeah.
So if you want to live into this thing full time, it really caters to you because it's not stuffy. It's not tight. You know, it's very wide open and easy to move around in.
There really is, like right in here, I feel like this is more space than any other
It's got a lot
we've seen so far.
Yeah, so to sacrifice a little bit of space underneath your awning, you're getting this much more space inside.
Yeah. Let's take a look. If you're washing dishes and you wash the pan that you need over here, and you turn around, let's see how many steps it takes me to get to the stove. 1, 2, 3, 4 steps to get to the stove.
Oh, I thought it was 17.
Lots of space. That's for weirdos that walk this far.
Yeah.
Each step.
Yeah.
Sometimes I feel like I wish people would cut me off before I continue to say the stupid stuff that I say.
Yeah. But anyway. See?
Oh, yeah, that's good.
Yeah. We're out here.
Right. We got some. Here's a little pantry. We'll just talk about the pantry.
Yeah, we got a lot of pantry space, which is also a good feature because they can add it right here, kind of backing up to the bunk room back there. So just good usage of space in Sabre. Really kind of unique layouts when you look at Sabre. So if you're looking for that trailer that has a unique layout that's guaranteed going to have some of the best usage of space in a fifth wheel, you definitely want to look at Sabre because they're going to have some serious options for you to check out.
All right. Nice big island, obviously. But we got the TV. Is there space I don't see space behind there.
Yes, there is.
Is there? How do you get to it? Just pull?
If I break it, they'll take it out of my check.
Yeah, but you probably wouldn't even notice. Also, there's space. You just got to pull it out on the arm that it's on. Okay, there you go. Yeah, so there's space back there.
Now, some people would upgrade the arm. Now, these are, they're bolt and screw and with nylock nuts. So if you wanted to put a bigger arm on this thing or more adjustability to where you can bring it out further, tilt it more, I mean, you can replace the mount that's there with something else, right? Because that is a mounting location for a TV mount. So yes, there actually is storage back behind there.
What is that, about a 30-inch fireplace underneath it?
That's
maybe a little smaller, maybe
24.
Okay,
maybe. I don't know. Without my ruler, I'm lost.
Yeah. Let's find out what's back here.
So, more storage space here. You got more storage space up here. You got a little coffee bar right here with the GFCI plug, so that's perfect for your coffee maker or your percolator. Everything that you might need for your morning routine. Nice drawers down here. Just ton of space.
Yeah,
you could go forever with talking about space in this thing.
We haven't talked about, we've seen a couple fans, but haven't really pointed them out. Fans, this little lighting fixture up here.
Yeah,
nice. The freestanding dinette set.
Yep,
I like that.
Yep.
And then I'm assuming that can break down.
Yes, this is a jackknife sofa, but again, talking with your salesperson when you talk to him today, you want to ask them about options because I believe Sabre has a theater seat option that goes in here for your recliners.
Nice. And I love these. I saw these for the first time just a couple months ago. Are these fairly new?
Yeah.
Like
the zebra screen?
Yeah.
So I call it the zebra screen. I don't know. I'm sure they have their own name for it, but I have no idea.
I mean, it's cool. So you can let in how much light you want, how much.
You really can. So, and that's and it takes away the purpose of having two or dual shades.
Yeah.
Because the dual shades all roll up in one. So it's
they're telling me they are zebra shades.
Are they zebra shades?
Are you guys messing with us? Are they really zebra shades? They think maybe. Okay.
they think maybe. I'll buy it.
Definitely maybe. Oh, let's get up here. What is going on in here? This is stinking sweet.
Yeah, as I said, when you're talking about Sabre, if you guys are out there looking for a very unique layout, this is it. I mean, you got a loft on top of a loft. You get one bed space up there, one bed space right there. You get this that comes out, and you also get this bunk that flips down up here.
What the kids are going to fight, though. They're going to want to be up here. This is where they're going to want to be.
Oh, yeah, I know.
Although the downside, though, to being up here, not that it matters because now people have their phone, kids have their phones. You can't see the TV that's here. if you're sleeping up here.
Especially if the Xbox is out.
That's a good point.
Yep.
That's a good point. Yeah, no, this is cool.
So this thing is definitely very well equipped for, as I was saying when we were in the kitchen, it's, you know, it's not a full-time living like trailer. Like people don't really like flock to this thing to be a full-time liver. This, you know, this is an over-the-road traveler, just like all the others. But if you wanted to, and you want to have a little bit of a different layout, this is it. I mean, I think you could easily live full-time in something like this.
Now, do you know if there's any storage in this room?
Oh, yeah. I mean, you got storage here. Somebody talking in the comments about storage.
No, I was being stupid. Yeah. Because there's all kinds of storage here.
Yeah. Well, and we got the bunk ladder up. But,
all the way back.
And you even get more storage up there. Yeah. And you get another storage pocket up there.
And the kids get their own bathroom.
Yeah, this is a 2-bath unit. So there's 2 full bathrooms in this one.
Yeah. So you get yourself a little sink, shower, and the toilet.
Yep.
With the screen door for the people that have no modesty whatsoever.
Easy.
All right, so let's head back towards the front.
We'll go look at the other bathroom. I'll call it the King Suite.
Yes.
But that one doesn't have a huge ventilation fan. That is a screen door.
Oh, yeah, you're right. All right, this bathroom's obviously a little bigger. I'll jump in here to make room. We've got the shower, toilet, and sink, just like you should have in a bathroom.
Yep, skylight, too, for the taller folks.
Yep.
You get a nice Dometic porcelain toilet up here.
Wow, there's
big storage compartment there. As I said, you know, there's a million ways to cut a pizza, and you know, so like to make the best usage of the space, you know, it takes some serious thought. So when you really look at a Sabre versus something else, you're gonna really see like, yeah, this is definitely different.
Yeah, yeah, it's nice little bathroom. I like the floors in here too. And then the bedroom.
Yep. Nice bedroom, king size bed and a slide. This is east-west style, so it goes side to side. Dresser drawers. You get your nice barn style doors here.
Big old closet.
Yep, and there's storage space that's built into the front cap of the trailer. Now, one thing you didn't see is that door slides right over this door that goes into your washer and dryer prep.
That's nice. That's awesome.
So, good use of space.
Yeah.
Instead of having that gigantic, awkward-looking door here,
right.
They're like, you know what? This would be really cool if that opened up all the way.
Yep.
Yeah, makes it really nice.
Yeah, it's awesome. Of course, TV backer, you got some more storage, some more drawers here.
Second AC, this is an option, by the way.
Okay.
That you can get in the Sabre.
Great.